All right, my name is Abraham Steve. Today I'm going to be sharing with you zero cost sales funnel, and I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that I've actually used that has helped me to grow my business over time. So why I'm actually talking about zero cost sales funnel is because I know that a lot of you that are trying to start up and are trying to make progress, just get your foot in the door. Most of you don't have this elaborate fees or capital that it's required to actually start a sales funnel or get your sales funnel developed or being hosted. So what I'm going to share with you is my own way of doing it. And the most important thing is that this strategy is at zero cost. So if you're new out there, you don't have capital, but you just want to get things done, you want to move forward and all those kind of things, we know that it's really, really expensive to get a custom sales funnel. But this, what I'm going to share with you, it's going to be practical guide to doubling your income over the next 30 days. So if you stay with me, I'm going to teach you how I do this step by step into making sure that you have the results that you're looking for, that you have a high conversion sales funnel with zero cost. Your results, which is to double your income within the next 30 days. So stick with me as we make progress. Okay, for those of you watching this for the very first time and don't actually know what a sales funnel is, I had to really break down to explain it to you so I do not confuse you. Just understanding this basic idea and this basic concept will help you move forward. So it's an automated pipeline in which you onboard your customers to do what you want with ease. Had to actually make those important things in yellow. So without having to be involved like in a typical or traditional sales situation or sales process. Now imagine a traditional sales situation. You go over, you knock on doors, you go over, you talk to 10 people and hoping that you convert one. And then energy is expended and then resource is expended. If you drove in a car, your fuel is gone and all those kind of things. So this sales funnel is what actually helps you do what you have done in the traditional settings, but this time you're actually automating your process. But you're automating from your acquisition all through your customer experience or all through your customer journey to actually the fulfillment process or the fulfillment part of your business or the fulfillment part of what you want the customer to experience. So it's an automated pipeline that helps you or enables you to allow your customers to take action without necessarily being involved. So you set up these systems and you get the conversion that you're looking for. Before we make progress, what I want to share with you, it's called the secret sauce of a high conversion sales funnel. A lot of experts won't tell you this, but I'm going to tell you this in this video so you understand how to get started and how to get the results you want with ease. So this is more like a secret recipe, but it's something. Aside from being the sauce, it's like this thing need to be inside your sales funnel, or when you're actually making a sales funnel, you have to understand that this aspect doesn't have to miss for you to have a high conversion sales funnel. So imagine your food. There are certain ingredients that you don't have to miss to be able to arrive at the kind of results that you're looking for. So this is the secret sauce. This is what I want to share with you. I've learned this, and this has helped me make tremendous progress. So I'm going to be sharing with you the secret sauce of a high conversion sales funnel. So stay with me. What's the secret sauce? There are two most important ingredients when you're actually trying to set up your sales process or actually trying to set up your sales funnel. Number one is, it is a good idea for you to start with a great product. I can't overemphasize this enough, but I'm going to tell you something as we make progress. And number two is that strategy is everything. Now don't be confused. What I'm trying to show you is everything you need to know. You have this two, it's not three. This is the secret sauce. Start with a great product and moving forward, strategy is everything, not money. I'm going to explain it to you. Now, why I say you should start with a great product? A wise man once said something and said that one thing that technology has done for us is that technology has made things fast. I'm going to explain what it means. That means if you have a shitty product, you have what? Shitty results. So technology makes things fast. Technology can either make you fail faster or either make you succeed faster. But it all begins with starting with a great product. And I'm going to share something, and I'm going to share you 2 stories so you understand this. So stay with me. Number 1 is I was listening to a story by Brian Tracy. And Brian Tracy said something. He said that he went to a region where he wanted to do one of his speaking engagement, and he was hungry, so he wanted to go to a restaurant. So he asked someone around and said, do you know where I can find a good restaurant? And the person now said, yeah, if you go to this restaurant, I mean, that is a great restaurant. And Brian Tracy said that he moved to that restaurant, and oh my, he looked at the way the lightings were, the facility, the customer service and everything, and guess what? When it came down to the food, it was just amazing as well. And he said that by the time he had finished eating and looked at everything, he said that this is a great restaurant. The great restaurant actually means that he can also refer, he can also recommend, he can also, and you know that if you have such an amazing product, it's possible for the product to sell itself, because people want to talk about it, people want to advocate about it. But you have something that doesn't even work? No. So you have to be able to start with something that tomorrow you can be proud of. And let me give you story number 2 so you understand this. The best way, I learned this from someone and I want to share with you. The best thing you can do is to start with a product that you have passion for. Okay? Like for example, I don't have passion about nutrition, things concerning nutrition and stuff like that. Although I know it's useful for me, but I don't want to start with that. What I do, or what someone else would do, is to go in line with where their passion is, where their heart is, because they will be able to communicate in that way. And I say something and I say that the problem you see is the problem you will solve. You don't want to use another person's eyes and use another person's lenses. But if you have a challenge, the idea is, I'm trying to debunk that idea that you want to do something and you do it the wrong way. No, start with a great product and it will help you make progress very, very effectively and as fast as possible with high results that you are looking for. So start with a great product. So the secret sauce number 2 is that strategy is everything. I can't overemphasize this enough again, but I'll tell you a story. This is the second story I said I was going to tell you. The story has to do with Alexander the Great and how he conquered the world. And this was his early stage. And so he was going against Persia. And Persia at the time, they had a vast army that even outnumbered Alexander's army. Now, let me tell you something how it works so you understand how it is. Now, most people say something and say that whoever spends the most to acquire a customer wins. Listen to it. Whoever spends the most to acquire a customer wins. That means I have to spend so much and try to outcompete my competition before I make progress. No, it's not like that. I have to have so much to have to spend, and then I spend, but I don't even have money to get started. So you can start with what you have. And I want to say that strategy is everything. It's not about you saying, oh, whoever spends the most amount to acquire customer wins. So you're trying to say me have to have so much. Like the story of Alexander the Great and the Persian Empire. He did not have so much because he would say, okay, because the Persian Empire had so much. That's how they were able to win the war. Not true. Not true. Not true. So listen to what I'm trying to say to you, and this will help you. Number 1 is that start with a great product. And number 2 is that strategy is everything. And strategy is what I'm going to share with you in this course. So if you stick with me, I'm going to show you step by step how I do it, how I get the results I have right now, and how you also can get the results you're looking for. So you're going to plan, we're going to strategize together, and we're going to move forward. So what I want you to do is to look over the options that you have. I just start with a great product. All the ideas that you have, pick one that we're going to test run in the course of this model. Or if you don't have, I'm still going to show you how you can start with a great product. So take a look at it, take an aerial survey of it, and make a decision that you're going to start with a product that really solves and solve a problem that your audience cares about. Okay? And then look at, because you're going to actually be able to connect these dots. And I talked about strategy. And you're going to say, okay, I'm going to be moving this way. I'm going to be moving in this direction. I'm going to be moving in this direction. I think this would work. I think this will work. And that is how we're going to be able to attain the success that we're looking for. So with those two things, I'm going to be breaking it down in the next model, step by step, on how you can start with a great product and how you can strategize. Where I'm going to be sharing with you my secret sauce, my strategy on how I am able to set up a high conversion sales funnel, and which you too can do it for your business.